insurance claim, amount of fire insurance claim. The scenario when gross profit ratio is given directly on sales in a particular question. We can see here 30% on sales is given. So there is no need to calculate previous year trading account. We can step into directly step 2 stating that gross profit ratio given directly 30% on sales. Next we'll continue with step 3 memorandum trading account. The purpose of calculating memorandum trading account is to calculate closing stock on the date of fire, to find out closing stock on the date of fire. So we'll continue by calculating here. This is the salvage value in good condition and damaged condition 10,500. Then okay, that March 31st 2024 closing stock is available. It means for the same it will be opening stock for 1st April 2024. So 83,500. Next purchases from 1st April 2024 to date of fire was 1,12,000. 1,12,000. Sales 1,54,000. Gross profit 30% on sales into 30%. So there is no information regarding any direct expenses. If it is there, we have to take into consideration. For example, goods given as a samples, then we have to deduct in purchases. If there is any returns on purchases or sales, we have to deduct it. Like that, on any commission on purchases, direct expenses, we have to take into consideration here. There is no such information available, so let's balance the account, close the account. The balance will be stock on the date of fire. This is a stock on the date of fire. So let's move on and continue calculating actual loss. Let's calculate actual loss now. Salvage in a good condition. Salvage in a good condition. Here the most of the stock was destroyed. The cost of stock salvage being 11,200. 11,200 and some of the stock was salvaged in a damaged condition and its value in that condition was agreed at 10,500. 10,500. Now we got before closing, first we have to check is there any expense incurred to fire extinguishing. And there is no such information is given here, so 66,000 will be the actual loss. Now we have to see what is the policy amount. Patel was insured his stock for 60,000, but stock was 87,700. So policy amount is lesser than the stock on the date of fire, so average clause is applicable. And the one more catch is the goods were not completely destroyed. So policy amount will not be the claim. So claim will be by calculating average clause we can get into know. Policy amount is 60,000. Stock on the date of fire is 87,700. Actual loss is 66,000. Let's calculate policy amount divided by stock on the date of fire into actual loss. This is how we can calculate amount of claim. 45,154. Let's see in next video when the ratio, gross profit ratio, is not given directly and previous year records are given. Thank you.